Good morning, class. Today we are going to study the structure of a tooth. On previous turn we had studied types of tooth. Today we will see structure of a tooth. Okay. So let's start. Everybody open your page number 12 and see in book. Structure of a tooth. We have different types of teeth, but all of them have the same structure. Each tooth has three main parts. Means I told you that we have different types of teeth. Incisors, canines, premolars, molars, right? These are the different types of teeth, but all the teeth are made up of same parts. Means their structure is same. Okay, they are made up of same parts. So by how many parts each tooth is made up of? Students, each tooth is made up of three parts, that is crown, neck and root. Okay, so what is crown? You can see the image of a tooth. Right here you can see the image of a tooth. So each tooth has three parts: crown, neck and root. So the white shiny part of the tooth which is visible to us. Okay, the white shiny part of the tooth which is visible to us, जिसको हम देख सकते हैं, वो white shiny part is called crown of the tooth. That white part is called crown. Okay, so that is called crown. And just below the crown there is a very small neck. You can see, students, it is neck. Okay, so neck is only this much part is called neck. Okay, just below the crown, this is crown. Just below the crown some part is called neck. And what is root? So root, students, root is present inside the gums. What now? You must be thinking, ma'am, what are gums? Your teeth are embedded in a pink color structure, right? In pink color soft parts below, just in your mouth, just below the teeth, you can see the pink part, right? So that pink part is called gums. Okay, so root is present inside the gums. This part from here to here, this part is called root, and this part is present inside the gums. This pink color structure is gum, and below it is present. So root, what is the function of root? Root tightly hold the tooth in the gums. With the help of roots, teeth are tightly placed inside the gums. Okay, so each tooth has three parts, that is crown, neck and root, right? So let's read in this book. White shiny teeth are fixed in the soft pink color gums. Crown is the part of the tooth which is visible and above the gum, right? Okay, the crown is white shiny part which we can see, that is called crown, and it is present above the gum. Neck lies just below the crown, and just below the crown there is neck of the tooth. And root is the part which is present inside the gums. Gums hold the teeth tightly to their places, and roots are present inside the gums so that the teeth can be tightly embedded in the gums. Okay, now students, these are the parts of a teeth. Means how many parts are there in teeth. But teeth is made up of how many layers, by which substance, and how many layers teeth are made up of. Now we will see that. Students, you can see here is written a tooth is made up of three layers: enamel, dentine and pulp. Okay, our whole tooth is made up of three layers: enamel, dentine and pulp. The uppermost layer, the topmost layer of the tooth is called enamel. Below the enamel there is dentine, and below the dentine there is pulp. You can see students, in this image you can see that this part is called dentine, this brown color part is called dentine, this white color part is called enamel, and this yellowish color part is called pulp, right? So enamel, dentine and pulp. Okay, so let's start. The visible white part of a tooth is called crown, and it is covered with a hard layer called enamel. The white part of the teeth which we can see when we see in mirror. So the white part of the teeth which we see that is called crown, and that crown is made up of white substance, right? White shiny substance. So what is that white shiny substance, students? The name of that white substance is enamel, right? The name of that white substance is enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body. In our body, enamel is the very hardest substance, means it is harder than bones also. Okay, enamel is harder than bones also. Okay, so it is the hardest substance in our body. And below the enamel lies the dentine, which is not as hard as enamel. And below the dentine there is below the enamel there is dentine present, which is not very hard. Inside the dentine is the soft part called pulp, and just below the dentine 3 layers are present. 3 layers are present. This is enamel. Below the enamel there is dentine. It is not harder than it is not as hard as enamel. Okay, ये उतना hard नहीं होता enamel की तरह dentine. And below the dentine there is pulp. Pulp is very soft part. So below the dentine there is pulp, and pulp is very soft part, and the nerves and blood vessels also present in the pulp part. Okay, nerves and blood vessels continues down to the root. So from pulp the nerves and blood vessels go in the root and gums. Okay, so let's see. The nerves are connected to the gums through a hole present in root. The nerves are connected to the gums through a hole present in root. Means in a root there is pore, there is hole through which the nerves goes in the gums and connected to the gums, right? You can see, students, in this image, in these nerves and blood vessels, these nerves and blood, here are present nerves and blood vessels which go in the gums through the hole present in root. Okay, these nerves send signals to the brain when we have a toothache, and because of these nerves only, whenever we have toothache means जब भी हमारे दांत में टीथ में पेन होता है, हमारे दांत में दर्द होता है, टीथ में पेन होता है, then with the help of these nerves only we are able to feel that pain. Okay, toothache means pain in tooth. Okay, so these nerves, with the help of these nerves only we are able to feel the pain in our tooth. A long root fixes the tooth in the jaw, right? Okay, and the root part of the teeth fixes our teeth in jaw. Okay, in the gums, in the jaw, the roots are tightly held by the help of root. Okay, so today we had studied the structure of a tooth. Tooth is made up of 3 parts: crown, neck, and root, right? Crown is the topmost white shiny part, neck is just below the crown, and the root is inside the gums. It is not visible from outside, it is inside the gums, present inside the gums. And after that, each whole teeth is made up of 3 layers: the enamel, hardest substance in the body; dentine, which is not hard as the enamel; and pulp, which is very soft part. And in pulp there is nerves and blood vessels are also present. Okay class, so today we had studied the structure of a tooth. Now on next time we will study tooth decay. And there is a homework. Your homework is this: test yourself. Okay, this test yourself you have to fill in your book only. Okay, I will send its image on School Mitra app, so you have to write about this test yourself in your book. Thank you.